Hello everyone and welcome to your online IT help desk. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your very first Microsoft Intune Home Lab from scratch. If you've always wanted to learn Microsoft Intune but thought it was only for large companies, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have your own Microsoft 365 test environment and be ready to start learning Microsoft Intune. Before we begin, let's answer one important question. What is Microsoft Intune? Microsoft Intune is Microsoft's cloud-based endpoint management solution. It allows IT administrators to manage Windows devices, mobile devices, applications, and security settings from one central location. Instead of configuring every device manually, administrators can create policies once and deploy them automatically across all company devices. Can you learn Intune at home? The answer is yes. You don't need to work for a company to start learning Microsoft Intune. Microsoft allows you to create a Microsoft 365 test environment where you can safely practice and explore Microsoft Intune. The first step is creating a Microsoft 365 tenant. Think of a tenant as your own organization inside Microsoft's cloud. This environment allows you to create users, manage devices, and use Microsoft Intune for learning purposes. During the setup process, you'll choose an organization name and create your administrator account. Once the setup is complete, you'll be taken to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. This is the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Think of this as the control center of your Microsoft 365 environment. From here, administrators can manage users, licenses, subscriptions, and many Microsoft Cloud services. In a real company, administrators usually don't perform testing with their own administrator account. Instead, they create standard user accounts. Let's do exactly that. I'll create a test user that we'll use later to enroll a Windows device into Microsoft Intune. Now it's time to open the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. This is where administrators manage devices, applications, security policies, compliance policies, and much more. Don't worry if everything looks unfamiliar. Throughout this series, we'll explore every section step by step. Congratulations! You now have your own Microsoft Intune Home Lab ready for learning and testing. In the next video, we'll take a complete tour of the Microsoft Intune Admin Center and explain what each section is used for. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your online IT help desk for more Microsoft Intune, Microsoft 365, and Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.